hop off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drinking this clean raw. Guys, this guy takes our money, guys. Alright, so good morning, everyone. We have Lou making breakfast. Irma's. And Rudy and the homeless mom.
Oh, she's on the phone. Yo, he's on.
Bye.
Hey guys, back here again. Nip slips out. Oop, that's against Texas service. We are headed to the beach. Hey, we're on a bridge. Look at the water. Show them the water, guys.
Alright, and we have Rudy driving.
It's okay.
30 minutes. Alright, out of the car.
I love your dress.
Oh, she's so
Thank you so much. I actually got it from a new boutique.
Yo, and she's walking away like, oh, we're done with the conversation. We can go now, but like, we have to wait for me to go.
Alright guys, so we have arrived at our first destination. Morning stretch. Yeah, morning. We got the goods. Oh,
It's the smell.
I'm gonna give this an honest review because my bagels in my town are literally the best things I've ever eaten. So this is. Alright.
That's not bad.
So, yeah, these are shit. There's no butter. Walking to the beach, let's go now.
Oh my god, is that the beautiful hat?
Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it while grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right.
Woo! We're walking to get some food right now. It's burning hot. Our feet are burning, even though we're literally walking in sandals. They're still killing our feet. He got a big gulp.
What are you doing?
Look at her face. She's so tan. I see it. She's tan.
Look at her little dot on her back.
Yeah, she making my rap real nice. Food I got. $15 this wrap and I could have got a bowl. But no. Alright everyone, like I said, I didn't vlog at all. So now we're in the car. I'm burnt, but it's fine.
So we're going to Asbury Hotel. And we're going to go...
Seaside.
Oh yeah, honestly, this is a really pretty view.
Lots of facts, the kids they call it Goonie. Yeah, she's Russian, all red. When a Russian go to bed. There's a beautiful couch. That's the pool. Alright, we're on the snack aisle right now. Basically, we're doing like picking out each other's snacks that we're gonna get for them. So we're doing sweet, salty drinks, and I don't know what else. What does she like? This is so hard. Guys, we're in ShopRite. I have to find a snack for Julie. Got Annie's, the best fruit snacks. I don't know. I don't want to get something she doesn't like though. I think I'm gonna get her a fruit and like a chip, but like she doesn't like chips. On the fruit. Got my little bag. We needed something sweet, salty, and a drink. I did that. I think the sweet one is not really like a dessert. It's more of like a fiber sweet dessert she likes. So hopefully she eats that. All right, everyone, we made it back in the car. So it was a great shop around. All right, so
What are we doing first?
the snack.
Okay. So salty
Like
or
salty.
sweet?
Keep conscious.
Oh my gosh, we love I know you did. We had a dilemma. I really didn't know what Julie was gonna like. Guys, it's a popcorn! Actually like that?
Yeah, it's
My sweet snack or Zebo! No! Yes! I fucking love it! It's bars.
no, because they're actually so good. No, you're doing
I got Belvita bars!
Everyone, we have arrived. There's a little pond. Is this considered a pond?
Do you want to go under that tree where the shade is?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so cute. Great, so there's a nice little waterfall. They have the little fountain. There's a trail. Who trying to ride the bus? Anyways, the restaurant. Oh yeah, by the way, we had to move because the amount of ants. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, we're on some trails right now. All right, guys, we are officially nature girls. There's
I'm gonna hike with my flip-flops.
like it's like marshmallow soup right there. My friend's enjoying herself right now. Where?
I'm Dora. Ay, Dios mío.
I think this is actually very cute. There's like big boulders, if this is what it's called.
Hey, we in the jungle. Woo! Which one do we go in? Ah! Can you guys help me? Numero
Uno? No. Wait, did you ever watch the
I hope that's not poison ivy.
guys?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hello.